Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use wheatgrass powder. Wheatgrass powder is a potent superfood, offering a convenient way to incorporate its benefits into your daily routine. To begin, simply mix 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the powder with 8 to 12 ounces of water or your favorite juice. Stir it well until fully dissolved. For optimal absorption of its rich nutrients, it's best to consume this mixture on an empty stomach, perhaps first thing in the morning. This simple step can kickstart your day with a powerful nutritional boost. Achieving a smooth, enjoyable wheatgrass drink is easy with a few tips. For the best consistency, I recommend using a shaker bottle or a small blender. This helps to thoroughly dissolve the powder and prevent any clumps. Always opt for cold or room temperature liquids, such as water, apple juice, or orange juice, as hot liquids can diminish the potency of some of the delicate enzymes present in wheatgrass. Once mixed, drink your wheatgrass concoction immediately to ensure you're getting the maximum nutritional benefit from every sip. Beyond just mixing with water, wheatgrass powder is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various recipes. Try adding 1 to 2 teaspoons to your favorite morning smoothie, blending it with fruits and vegetables for a vibrant, nutrient-dense meal. You can also stir a small amount into homemade salad dressings, guacamole, or even energy bites for an extra nutritional kick. Remember, its distinct flavor means starting with smaller quantities and gradually increasing to find what works best for your palate. Enjoy exploring new ways to nourish your body. When incorporating wheatgrass powder into your diet, a few important considerations will help you maximize its benefits safely. Always listen to your body. If you're new to it, start with a smaller dose and gradually increase. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding new supplements. Proper storage is key. Keep your wheatgrass powder in a cool, dark, and dry place to maintain its potency. Finally, always choose an organic product from a reputable brand for the highest quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.